People are still just being bad with slicers though, too. Like, first 5 deaths, slicers, like, fucking move around, please. Help each other out. Not difficult. It's really not.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Combust. Combust. Breath soon.
First breath in 3.
Go round.
Breath incoming.
First slicers in
4,
3.
3, 2, 1.
Slicers.
Look
Watch
for
your-
slicers.
Both melee.
God,
Back
right, you're
on
so
you.
talented. Look how we help our melee out, bro.
Breath soon.
Breath incoming.
Slicers in 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Look
Watch
for
your-
slicers.
Slicers now.
Rack on you.
Both melee. No, both ranged.
Breath
Range.
soon.
Range. That came out so late. Holy shit.
Phase 2. Rack on you.
I have nurtured this within them, but that life is and always will be mine. Behold, power beyond your comprehension.
You are not alone in this dark place.
3, 2, 1.
Sindari, your master owes me a great debt. One that I intend to
Fucking burn 'em
extract
fast,
from
huh?
this consort's hide.
Better.
You are weakening, Syntharia. Accept the inevitable.
Omelet time.
Take this for weakness.
Target
Vulnerable.
change.
You are weakening, Syntharia. Accept the inevitable.
Phase 3.
Drawing upon this source will set us back months. You should be honored to be worthy of its expenditure. Now, die!
Fire's dim, champions.
First breath in about 5
Breath
seconds.
soon.
I'll call it now. DSAC. Now.
Succeed.
Breath incoming.
Slicers in 3.
Avenge me.
4, 3,
Slicers now.
2,
Look
1.
for slicers.
Watch your
Both in range.
One a melee, one a melee, one a melee.
Don't die. How did that jump to be so late?
Breath soon.
breath incoming.
Next slicers in 5.
Combust.
Next
4,
slicers now.
3,
Look alive.
2,
Wolves are coming down.
More
1.
slicers.
Watch your
Deep range.
One range,
Close.
one
Healer,
melee.
healer, 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 healer.
Breath soon.
Then take him to the back. Kill him.
Rack on you.
breath incoming.
MD all these ads to him.
We got
Big heals on him, big heals on him.
Ads.
Kill the ads now.
3, 2,
Look
1.
for
Nuke 'em.
slicers.
slicers
your
now.
red
Look alive. Both in range. Both in range. Both in range.
What the fuck was that? Kill him again. Keep
Breath
on him, guys.
incoming.
Nuke him, nuke him, nuke him now. You need to swap with me in the next 5 seconds.
Kill these ads. Burn these fucking ads.
Double your stacks either way, even if you drop aggro. Mark
Yep.
stuff.
Yep.
4,
Slicers in 3.
3, 2,
Breath
You can
soon.
actually bubble stacks right now if you want to do another
Bubbled
set.
it. I got it.
Alright. Alright.
Slicers,
Alright, go
look
ahead and do
alive.
another
Both in
set.
range, both in range,
Okay.
both in range.
breath
Johnny, you were.
incoming.
Can we get after this breath? Get him up now. Get him up now. Next breath, I want my girl blue. Slicers in 5.
4, 3, 2,
Breath soon.
1.
Slicers now. Look alive.
Watch.
Look at these slicers on your fucking screen. Both in melee, it looks like, possibly. One in range.
No, one range.
Rack on you.
Fear death, fear death. Second set of
Excellent.
walls, MD them.
MDs.
Breath soon.
How long until we get into
4,
slicers?
3,
Slicers in 3.
Look
One.
for slicers.
watch.
Slicers now. Look alive. Look alive. Look alive.
Breath incoming.
Big MD, big heals on him.
Both
Range,
range.
both range.
Are we killing?
Ads.
We're killing.
Get ads.
Nuke him. Nuke him in the back. Nuke him, big heals on Microsoft.
Paints up, please.
Breath soon.
Slicers in
again.
5. Flame
Four,
breath
10.
here.
3,
I need a
10
big heal,
seconds.
Brando. Big heal, Brando.
More
Big heal.
slicers.
watch.
Swap whenever you're ready.
I'm dragging him right now.
Finish those whelps again.
End.
Slicers. Look alive.
Nuke all those whelps right now. They all need to die.
Take your fill from their
Melee. That's you. Fucking nuke those whelps, please.
Melee, come on. Alright, taunting 3, 2, 1. It's on Microsoft.
The whelps are out, watch them. Just kill boss now.
Next breath in 3. You have DSAC?
4,
Yeah, I
Use
do.
it. Use it on this.
incoming.
Yeah, it's out, it's out.
Slicers, look alive. Slicers. These are the last fucking slicers. Wake up.
Combust.
One range, one melee.
Look at that. Pick daddy. Let daddy do it. Let daddy fucking show you guys how to do it, bro.
Show me, daddy. Come on.
Jesus fucking
yeah,
Christ,
daddy.
bro.
I have fallen.
Watch out for those
Kill everybody can.
slicers.
Kill him. Give my fucking boots, cocksucker. Sorry, I was muted, Aaron. I was dispelling that whole
True
thing.
shards of woe.
No, you're good, bro.
Oh, that's actually Biss.
Wow.
I'm doing this loop.
single cape. This is bullshit.
I'm doing this loop.
We're never gonna see a cape, dude. Fucking this rings.
I made this whole throne for Sunday.